In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to easily secure your WhatsApp account on both iPhone and Android devices without the need for any third-party apps. It's crucial to follow along carefully till the end to ensure you don't encounter any errors. Begin by opening the WhatsApp app, then tap on the top right corner to access Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and scroll down to find Screen Lock. Enabling this option allows you to lock the WhatsApp app with Face ID, adding an extra layer of security. On Android devices, the process varies slightly. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then go to Settings, Privacy. Scroll down to find Fingerprint Lock. Here, you can enable Fingerprint Lock to secure your WhatsApp. Additionally, you can configure the automatic lock feature to immediately lock the app for enhanced privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to show your appreciation. Thanks for watching.